In this video, I'm going to show you how to find draft posts on Instagram. So if you're looking for where your Instagram draft reels are kept, you can easily access them and publish them or delete them on the platform. So if at the end of this video, you are able to find out where Instagram drafts are saved or find saved draft on Instagram, you want to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now the first one to do is open the Instagram application on your device, just like this. Then click on this plus icon as if you want to publish a post, reels or story. Then scroll down like this until you get to reels. Then under new reels, you have access to camera, draft, template and made for you. Then here click on draft. Then you should see your draft post. If you click on this three dots on the draft post, you can easily delete the draft post just like this by go ahead and clicking on delete. However, to publish the draft post, all you need to do is click on it just once, then customize the post just like this, and then go ahead and click on the share button to share your draft post. So this is how you can easily access draft posts on Instagram. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.